All right. Picked up a couple Coach purses. It's Salvation Army, great prices, but I need to give them a cleaning. So, after looking on YouTube, I seen that you can wash them in the washing machine. So that's the plan. This one does have some scuffing on the back. I'm hoping that it'll survive the washing machine. I'm going to spray them with a little bit of Thrift, just to maybe try to get the stains out a little better. I also picked up a Vera. That one not too worried about. They usually wash pretty well, but and then the other one, it's not as dirty as the black one, but dirty enough. I think I'll clean it. Yeah, these were great finds. Oh yeah, wonderful. So, and then we will go back on after they're washed.